Right, so today we're going to do the welding on the vehicle. Well, we're going to attempt to do that anyway. We'll see how that goes. So picking up from last time, let me chuck it around here. Boom. That's the section we're going to do first. Originally, I was just going to do one flat panel across there. Kind of realising not going to be the easiest thing in the world. So what we're going to do now, little template out of cardboard to start with. That's a section we're going to start with. We're going to weld that onto there, which template's already cut out in the metal, just need to cut that out. And then once that's kind of welded onto there, we're just going to go with a piece and can come straight down. It should be a lot easier. So we get that, we attach that, weld that on the inside, weld that on the inside first. It should be a lot easier welds to do than doing it while it's off. And then yeah, we can get the shape of when we come down to the perfect point, meet on there. We're gonna have to do a bit of bending the metal obviously to get around that curve. Then we can just do an external weld joint along there, then patch it up along there, and then see if we can try and fill that gap there, which I created with the angle grinder. But yeah, what I might do as well, because come across there and then fill that little section in there as well. Then that part is done. Then all I really need to worry about is probably a little filler section down there. Those little patches around there. And then the main body one. With the main body one, like I said, it's not going to be curved. It's probably literally going to try and be just a flat panel, because it'll be an absolute pain otherwise. But yeah, let's crack on cutting the metal out, see how that fits, and then see how the welding goes. Up, see how that fits. So this is what we've got so far. I mean, yeah, it's messy, but for first time welding, no, I don't think it's too bad at all. Let me get a light on this quick. Well, I'm going to have to order like a small belt sander just to get in those tight spaces, just so I can weld those, not weld, sand those bits down, see which parts are left any holes, and then fill the gaps up and sand that down again. But apart from that, for my first time, I don't think that's actually gone too bad at all. Let's see if we can get an underside shot as well. Just ground that down a little bit. I've not actually fully seen it from this angle, so hopefully it's not looking too bad. Yeah, we just need to get a little small belt sander so we can grind them down. We're doing it from this side though. That's the side I've been welding from. But I'm going to grind that down, see how it looks, and then fill any more holes in. Right now I'm going to cut the next piece to go around here, just so it's cut and ready to go. But yeah, I mean, when we first started doing it, we did blow a massive hole over there, which we kind of filled back up with a bit of welds. So yeah, we'll grind that down and see how much it actually took. But apart from that, it didn't go too bad at all. Yeah, I was quite happy with it. But yeah, let's cut the metal bit out and then see how that bit fits in. Right, I think we're pretty much finished on this side. Don't expect to see some beautiful work, because that's not what you're going to see. You're going to see something that will hopefully pass MOT. Well, you still got to put the wheel arch lining back in, so that's going to cover most of this stuff up anyway. But that's the first part we put in. Nice few dodgy little tack welds. Tried to do as much as possible, but we kept burning through the metalwork on these cars, mate. The rust is so bad. So we've just coated it. Yeah, what's this stuff called? Chuck some of that on there. I'm not going to pronounce it in case I get it wrong and sound like an absolute idiot. But give that a nice protective coating at least. Chucked it down there as far as possible as we could. You can see a little rust hole coming through there. I say, with the wheel arch lining, that's going to completely cover that up anyway. We're going to be cheeky. We've got some body filler, so we're going to mix some body filler up. Here's the outside of the panel. Again, not the most beautiful thing in the world, but solid, ain't coming off. That's just got a bit of primer on there to stop any rust that may come through. There's the underside as well. I know that is shocking, right? But we're going to try and make it look a bit more prettier with some body filler, which we should be doing on this underside at least. I reckon we're going to chuck some all the way along there. We've got to fill that section there as well, which is another bit that was welded in. We'll just chuck some body filler on there, just make it look a bit more neater. Just try and get it past MOT at least. Just that's literally all we're doing this for. Don't care how it looks, just to get it through MOT for the time being. So we're going to take some more paint off here, chuck some body filler on there, smooth it off at least, and then that is this side done. Let's go and show you the front quickly. So there's the front side, that's all being put through. Our long plates all been welded on. Sprayed it with the bitumen as well, and then the little triangle patch that we've done as well, just to cover that. So this side is done. On the other side, it's not bad at all. It's not as bad as this. Apart from on the MOT, it says the suspension arm's got too much rust on it, so we're going to see what they're talking about and see how easy to fix that is. But yeah, that's that so far. Let me chuck some body thinner on, and then we'll show you afterwards.